If you're keeping your money in a regular savings account in Canada, you could be losing thousands of dollars without realizing it. Let me show you exactly why and what to do instead. Part 1. The problem. Most big banks in Canada offer less than 1% interest on savings, but inflation is around 3 to 4%. So even though your balance looks the same, your purchasing power is actually going down. This is what I call silent money loss. Part 2. What is a high-interest savings account? A high-interest savings account, also known as a HISA, is a simple account that pays you significantly higher interest, while keeping your money liquid and safe. No lock-in, no market risk, and most are CDIC insured up to $100,000. Part 3. Where to find them? Canada focus. In Canada, you'll typically find the best rates with online banks like EQ Bank or Simplii Financial, credit unions, and promotional offers from major banks. Rates can range anywhere from 3% to 5% depending on the market. Part 4. Real example. Let's say you have $20,000 in savings. At 0.5%, you earn about $100 a year. At 4%, you earn $800. That's an extra $700 for doing absolutely nothing differently. Part 5. Who should use this? This is perfect for emergency funds, short-term savings, money you don't want to risk in the market. But this is not for long-term investing, because inflation will still eat into your returns over time. Part 6. Pro tips. Always check if the rate is promotional or permanent. Watch out for withdrawal limitations, and consider tax implications if it's not inside a TFSA. If your money isn't earning at least 3 to 4% right now, you need to fix that immediately. Your bank works for you, not the other way around. Subscribe for more Canadian finance strategies that actually make you money.